Discover the smart way to keep surfaces spotless with powerful cleaning tools. In this guide, best dusting vacuum options are highlighted to help you achieve effortless dust removal, stronger suction performance, and a more comfortable cleaning experience at home, no matter the room or surface. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. The ZARIMI 33,000 RPM Vacuum. The ZARIMI 33,000 RPM vacuum stands out as a powerful compact cleaning tool designed to handle dust in places traditional vacuums can't reach. Its ultra-high-speed turbofan generates an impressive 33,000 RPM, producing a strong wind pressure and a fast 150 meter per second air blast that removes stubborn particles with ease. This level of power makes it an ideal choice for cleaning keyboards, PC components, laptops, car interiors, vents, and delicate electronics where precision air movement matters. What makes the ZARIMI especially appealing is its versatility, working as an air duster, mini blower, electric leaf blower alternative, and even a tool for outdoor and automobile upkeep. The portable handheld build fits comfortably in small bags or even a pocket, making it convenient for travel, office use, or quick touch-up around the home. Its upgraded dual-mode design adds valuable control by giving the option between button mode and a smooth sliding switch for effortless gear adjustments. Whether you're eliminating dust from tight corners, detailing your car, or clearing debris from fans and filters, this device provides a reliable, easy-to-use cleaning solution. Number 2. FANEAC X305 Vacuum. The FANEAC X305 vacuum delivers powerful, efficient cleaning through its ultra-high-speed brushless motor, designed to blow away accumulated dust from sensitive electronics in hard-to-reach areas. Its motor produces a strong, stable airflow ideal for keyboards, PCs, laptops, cameras, and intricate components where precision dust removal is essential. What sets this model apart is the inclusion of 2 rechargeable battery packs, allowing extended usage without waiting for a recharge, perfect for long cleaning sessions, multiple workstations, or portable use in office and industrial environments. As an eco-friendly alternative to disposable canned air, the FANEAC X305 reduces waste and saves long-term cost while delivering strong and consistent performance. Its compact, lightweight, ergonomic design enhances maneuverability, making it easy to direct airflow exactly where it's needed. Whether you're cleaning game consoles, AC filters, drones, car interiors, or delicate electronics, the tool offers dependable versatility. The durable build and efficient battery system ensure uninterrupted operation even in demanding scenarios. Combining power, portability, and practicality, the FANEAC X305 is an excellent choice for anyone needing a reusable, high-performance dust blower that performs across numerous environments and applications. Number 3. Houscly 25,000 PA Vacuum. The Houscly 25,000 PA vacuum is engineered for users who need strong suction in a handheld format. Its high-speed brushless motor produces an impressive 25,000 PA of suction, enabling the device to lift embedded debris, fine dust, crumbs, and pet hair from carpets, car seats, upholstery, and challenging corners. The inclusion of an advanced 8,000 milliamp battery allows up to 40 minutes of continuous cleaning in eco mode, giving users enough runtime for multiple tasks without frequent charging. Its one-touch dust disposal feature ensures a hygienic experience, allowing debris to be emptied quickly without direct contact. Designed as a multi-purpose tool, this vacuum offers 4-in-1 functionality: powerful vacuuming, precision blowing, and the ability to inflate or deflate items. This makes it not only suitable for home use, but also for automotive cleaning, outdoor equipment, and travel needs. Its compact build and premium filtration allow targeted cleaning without spreading dust back into the environment. Whether you're tidying your vehicle, maintaining small appliances, or dealing with daily household messes. Number 4. ONAVOT 35,000 PA Vacuum. The ONAVOT 35,000 PA vacuum delivers powerful cleaning through a 150,000 RPM motor and 130-watt suction capability, offering strong performance for car detailing, home cleaning, and office use. Its design targets stubborn dirt, crumbs, pet hair, and dust hidden in tight spaces, making it especially valuable for vehicle seats, floor mats, carpets, and narrow edges. The 6-in-1 cleaning kit includes multiple attachments such as a crevice tool, soft brush, and a pet hair nozzle to adapt to different cleaning tasks. One standout feature is the dual battery system. 2 rechargeable batteries totaling 20,000 mAh provide up to 60 minutes of runtime, eliminating downtime by allowing users to swap batteries instantly. Fast charging support ensures both batteries can be ready quickly. The HEPA filtration improves air quality during use, while the large 350 milliliter dust cup reduces the need for frequent emptying, enhancing convenience during deep cleaning sessions. Whether used for cars, sofas, workspaces, or small household areas, the ONAVOT vacuum offers strong suction with impressive battery efficiency. Its portable build and reliable attachments make it a practical all-around solution for users who need extended runtime and versatile functionality in a compact handheld vacuum. Number 5. K&F 300,000 RPM Vacuum. The K&F 300,000 RPM vacuum combines powerful air blowing capability with high-performance suction, functioning as both a compressed air duster and a vacuum cleaner. Featuring a 3-phase brushless motor, it reaches speeds up to 300,000 RPM, delivering exceptional wind force and a long service life of 7 to 10 years, far superior to typical brushed motor alternatives. This dual-function tool gives users the ability to blast away dust from electronics while also vacuuming debris effectively from the opposite end. The package includes a wide range of accessories such as 9 nozzles, 3 brushes, microfiber cloths, and a keyboard puller, supporting detailed cleaning for computers, keyboards, cameras, cars, and home surfaces. The device can also inflate gear, support outdoor activities, and assist with campsite tasks. As a reusable, rechargeable alternative to disposable air cans, it provides long-term savings and environmental benefits. The strong airflow, combined with multiple attachments, ensures precise dust removal in tight areas while maintaining gentle handling of sensitive items. Durable, versatile, and exceptionally powerful, the K&F 300,000 RPM vacuum delivers convenient, eco-friendly cleaning performance. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.